Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Alex Duetto with us in the shop. This is a Alex Duetto 3, and it is a dual boiler machine, E61 group head, has a PID installed, and since it's dual boiler, you can use both brew coffee and hot water or steam at the same time. It came in just for look over the entire machine. The entire machine is 10 years old. It is a beautiful Duetto for 10 years old. You could tell this machine was really taken care of. All we did was a tune-up on the machine. At first, we thought it was just a tune-up. Replaced new gasket, new shower screen, descaled the machine. There was a lot of scale in the machine. And so we did clean it out. Indicators when we put our descaling solution in there, the water that comes out, both the group head, hot water, even the steam gets a little more vibrant, is the water will come out blue. And so we got it until it ran clear. For both boilers, which takes a while because they're big boilers and you have to wait for stuff to pressurize, especially when you're dealing with 15 amps. You can't pressurize both of the boilers at the same time. But while we were doing that, the machine started to rattle, and that's an indicator that the safety valve on the boiler is not wanting to close. It's trying to. It rattles a lot. Fully pressurized. So we did replace that valve also with a brand new one, and yeah, it's running well. So we're gonna do a few tests. We sadly don't have the portafilter with us. It wasn't brought in with the machine, and so we weren't able to clean it or use it for today's example, but we're just gonna make sure water runs through the group head great, test the steam, test the hot water. So we're gonna start with this, and it's a cool touch, so you're able to touch the steam wand without burning yourself, because there's a tube that goes through the whole thing, and that keeps the steam from your touching the walls. But this is a forced out one, which is typically seen on commercial machines. Really beautiful steam comes out of this thing. It's a really big machine, very heavy too. Also, we're gonna test hot water by just opening the valve. Nice hot water coming out. You're gonna hear the rotary pump turn on because it's wanting to fill that steam boiler up. And it's going to release some of that steam to make space for it. And also, just to show that there is a nice flow of water coming through the group head. And we're looking at about 10 bars of pressure. Yep. And that's about it for this video. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.